Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for free on iPhone in 2025. So, of course, the first option, if you go to your app store and you look for Minecraft, as you can see, you should find here that is paid. It is not for free. So how can you download it for free? There are some options, as example. One of them is to get your free trial. Getting the free trial, of course, on Xbox. If you go, for example, open on your browser and simply go and look for xbox.com/example play, click on go. And here is example, using your Safari or any browser that you have, you can go and sign up for a Game Pass Ultimate. Of course, if you have a language error, just go and change it and try to go and get your Game Pass Ultimate. If you get that, you will be able to play Minecraft for free. So this is one of the options. The other option, again, you'll have to go to any browser that you have and simply go to education.minecraft.net. Hit the enter button again. And of course, here you'll be able to log in using a school or university email. Example, it should end with the .edu or any school domain, of course, if you have an email in school. And from there, as an example, you'll be able to download the Minecraft, the real Minecraft for free using just your school email. And of course, other than that, you can just go and try to wait maybe for limited time App Store promotion. Maybe it will happen at a time, never happens, I guess, before, but it may happen in the future. So yeah, that's basically it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.